today we are going to make a sopa de ajo, which is a really traditional Spanish recipe. For that, we are going to use the ingredients that you see on the table. So we are going to cut this in little cubes. Okay. Yeah, just to make it smaller pieces. Okay, so for food, that's the closest I could find to it.
Yeah.
Down here.
Which is like half, what is it? Half coffee and like it's like
Eggs is something I don't know. Really, I don't know. It's something that.
it smells good.
I like the smell of paprika a lot. The off was here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think hot. Delicious. You want to try? You want a plate for you? So good.